Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about nail polish, makeup panning, and sometimes things happening in my real life. Today I have an update for my Love My Makeup project, so hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Love My Makeup is a project that I created to help me fill a void in my panning schedule. Trying to think of all the words. I created this back in March of 2022, I believe, and it is has no end date. It is a continuous program project program whatever that I work on 3 products for 10 uses. These can be products from any category, and you're welcome to join if you want to. All you have to do is pick 3 products and use them 10 times. The idea behind the project was to give love to items that are either new in our collection and haven't tried, or items that are old and being neglected and haven't had any love lately. So the hashtag for this project is Love My Makeup Project. And if you are interested in joining, let me know. And like I said, you can work on any 3 products you want. I happen to work on something for my face, my eyes, and my lips. So without further ado, let's talk about the products I'm working on, how I'm doing, and if I can roll anything in. Spoiler, I can't. So the first product on my list is for my lips. I brought that back in February, and I am working on this bullet lipstick in the shade Paleontologist. I am wearing it today over another lipstick and lip liner. It is a nice neutral sort of brownish pink. That is what it looks like. And so far today is use number 4 in the project, so I have 6 more uses left to go. It's quite a nice neutral lip, so I don't foresee that being a problem. I just have a few other lip products in the rotation that I have to remember to use this one. The next product I brought in March is for my eyes, and it is an eyeliner. This is Divine Calo Kajal pencil from Tennis, I think. That is what it looks like. Hopefully you can read that out. I think Tennis is the brand, but maybe it's Divine Calo. I'm not sure. Anyway, this is a black eyeliner in the retractable form, and I really like it. It's nice, dark, and smooth, and once it's on, it doesn't like to budge. And so far, I have used this 8 times, so I have 2 more uses left to go. I could have worn it today, but I was trying to get use on something else, which doesn't really show up, so it's something for another project. But I really enjoy using this, and I can foresee finishing it in the future. And finally, the last product I brought in last month, and that is for my face, and I decided to go with something new in my collection, and this is the L'Oreal Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream. It is one of these white tinted creams that, a white cream that changes color as you apply it. This is in the shade Fair. I am wearing it today, and I think it does oxidize a little bit dark because my face is, you can see my shoulders and my neck here. My face is a little bit dark, and I don't think that's all my bronzer. So, yeah, I might have to play with mixing this with a foundation, oh, the word's escaping me. You know, the other thing, concealer. That is what it looks like to start with, and then I'll blend it out. And at first blend, it doesn't look too bad. It's a little bit darker, but I think it oxidizes and it gets darker over time. Because when I started, my face didn't look this dark, but that was, a little while ago. Anyway, I have used it once today. Today's the first time I'm using it. So we'll see going forward if I can make it work. Maybe I'll get a little bit of a tan over the summer and it'll blend in more. Maybe I'll just mix it with some concealer. I don't know. It's not oxidizing on my hand that fast, but you know, when you put bronzer and everything on, blush and everything on top, maybe it got a little too dark. Let me know down in the comments what you think, if I should mix it with a concealer or just try and use it as it is and maybe go a little lighter on the bronzer. But I don't know. Doesn't look too bad on my hand, but and again, my hand is slightly darker. No, not really. Anyway, that's it. That's all 3 products. So I am still working on them all, and the closest one I have to finishing is the eyeliner. That one should be a rollout for next month. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do that while you're here. It really means a lot to me. I am on my way to 200. We can do it. If you guys get me to 200, I will do something special. A live stream, perhaps? Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, I already said that. Until my next video, take care of yourselves. Stay true to you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!